Okay, good morning children. Again welcome to the new session of science. Today we will continue the science lesson. In the previous lesson we were discussing about food, health and hygiene, isn't it? So in that lesson what did you learn? We learned health. What is health? You have learned about health, which refers to the mental and physical well-being of a human being is health. So we must take care of our health. So health is very important. So we must take care of our health. For taking care of our health, we must have good food. Food which contains all the nutrients that are required by our body. So the food components, we discussed about the food components in the previous lesson. So what are the food components? We said that food is the basic need, one of the basic needs that helps in the survival for us to live, food. So in that we discussed about food and its components. Now food, how are these components helping our body in different ways. So what were the food components that we discussed? We discussed about the carbohydrates, we discussed about the fats, we discussed about the proteins, we discussed about vitamins and minerals, right? So carbohydrates and fats are called as energy giving foods. They give us energy. So we learned about the different sources from which we get those. Next we learned about the proteins. Proteins are helping bodybuilding and growth. Different sources of proteins we have learned. Then we have learned about vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are called as protective foods because these protect us from various diseases and they keep our body fit. So in that way we have to take different kinds of foods. We have to take different type of fruits, vegetables, green leafy vegetables which are very good to the health. We have to take all these different types of food. So we were learning the same lesson, food, health and hygiene. Food, health and hygiene. Isn't it? Food, health and hygiene. So we learned about the different components of the food. So we said that food is one of the basic components, it's a basic thing for us to live. In the same way, can you tell what is the other basic need or basic thing that a human body or a living thing requires? What is the other most important thing that a body or a living thing requires? Yes, come on children. Yes, water. Very good. So water is also important thing to live, survive, isn't it? So water. So 70% of our body weight is water. How much? 70% of our body weight is water. So how much water? 70% of our body weight is water. This water, it is not having any nutritive value. Even though it is not having any nutritive value, it has its own importance. And this water, 8 to 10 glasses of water are required by an adult every day. 8 to 10 glasses of water is required by an adult every day. So an adult must take 8 to 10 glasses of water. 8 to 10 glasses is required by an adult every day. So each one has to take at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. So now, as water is one of the important things to survive, let us learn some functions of water. So water is a basic thing, is one of the basic things like food. So, and 70% of our body weight is water. 8 to 10 glasses of water is required by an adult every day. So, let us learn some functions of water. Now, how this water is helpful to our body? Let us learn it. Let us learn some functions of water. Let us learn some functions of water. Now, how is this water helping us? Functions of water. Let us learn some functions of water. It helps in the digestion. digestion of food. First and the foremost thing is it helps in the digestion of the food. What is the function? It helps in the digestion of food. What does it do? It helps in the digestion of the food is the first thing. Now, it acts as a medium for various processes. It acts as a medium for various processes. It acts as a medium for various processes that takes place in our body. It acts as a medium for various processes that take place in our body. So, it helps in the digestion of the food. It acts as a medium for various processes that take place. It also helps in the removal of waste. It also helps in the removal of waste from the body in the form of, it also helps in the removal of waste from the body in the form of sweat and urine, isn't it? Summer season, how do you feel? You feel like you will be perspiring a lot, sweat will be coming out. So what will happening? When you are perspiring a lot of water is coming out of your body. So how do you feel? You feel thirsty, you feel like drinking water, isn't it? So in that way it is removing the waste from your body also. So it also helps in the removal of waste from the body in the form of sweat and urine. It also maintains normal body temperature. It maintains normal body temperature. It maintains normal body temperature. Now for example, what is happening internally also you are drinking water, and how is happening sometimes if there is a severe fever. What do? They control the body temperature by sponging, isn't it? They dip some cloth in the water and just keep here and remove it, or they sponge, or they try to clean the whole body with this sponge and the regulator, isn't it? So they do sponging. In this way it helps maintains normal body temperature. It also helps to keep our body hydrated. It also keeps our body hydrated. And dehydration agogunda, it will help you. For when you are thirsty in summer season, don't go for drinks, isn't it? You should not drink. The main drink or the plain drink that you must take is water. Is the best drink. From all the drinks you take, this is the best drink. And you have to take plain water. Plain water, nothing can match plain water. Plain water is the best thing that you have to take in summers also. This ordinary drinks are there, no, that Coca-Cola, Pepsi and all. Those are not at all good. Those are carbonated sugars. They have carbonated sugars which are not at all good for health. They damage the health. So you should not have that type of drinks. The best drink is plain water. So have plain water. Drink lots and lots of plain water. That is very good for your health. So in this way, water is very much required by your body, and it is very essential component, or is very essential thing that your body requires, because 70% of your body weight is water only. So this water, even though it is not having any nutritive value, but it helps in different processes of your body. It helps in the digestion of the food. It also acts as a medium. Becomes a medium for various processes that take place. It helps in the removal of waste from the body in the form of sweat and urine. It also maintains normal body temperature. It also keeps our body hydrated. So, water is the main drink that the very best drink that you must have is water. So that is the importance of water in our life. Now let's just learn something, other thing which is very much required by our body, because this is the topic about food, health and hygiene, isn't it? Mainly related to food. So let us learn something about roughage now. Now what do you mean by roughage? roughage. Roughage means, now you have learned about water. Water is basic need. Now how you are having food and its components. In the same way you learned about water. Now you have to know something about roughage. Now what is this roughage? Roughage is nothing but the fiber contained in the plant. Fiber content. Roughage is fiber content in the plant food. In the plant food that remains undigested. Undigested. Now they are asked, isn't it? Fiber content food you take, mainly the people who are a little bit older ages. Now they are asked to take fiber content food because this fiber content is very good, and now this fiber content is roughage, and this roughage is found in many leafy vegetables, pulses, cereals. Next we have cabbage, spinach. We find this fiber content. This fiber content is very good because it helps in the digestion, improves the digestion. It forms a bulk in the digestive system and pushes your undigested food. It also helps in the bowel movements, and then you have to practice defecation habits. Early morning when you get up, you have to use the toilet, isn't it? And you have to see that all the waste, undigested, is gone out through this, from your system, gone out from the anus, because this roughage will help in doing that. You have to maintain regular toilet habits, isn't it? One time, 2 times toilet alone is not at all bad. It's normal. So in that way, it also prevents constipation. It prevents constipation. Now preventing constipation and some old age people, they don't go for motion daily. It causes constipation. So it becomes very tight inside. So they will not be able to defecate. They will not be able to throw out the waste from their body. It becomes very difficult for them. So it becomes, that is called as constipation. So whoever is having constipation, they will be given this fibrous food. For example, you take papaya. Papaya contains lot of fiber in it. For example, you take watermelon. Watermelon also contains lot of fiber. Leafy vegetables, cabbage, spinach, all these contain fiber in them. So these fibers, they have bulk in the digestive system. They and the undigested food will be thrown out from our digestive anus if there is roughage is there in the food. So in that way, it prevents constipation and allows the bowel movement, means you will be able to go to the toilet and you will be free yourself in a proper way. So that is there. It helps. It keeps. That means what it is doing. It is also keeping our digestive system healthy. That means it keeps our digestive system. Our digestive system also healthy. Digestive system healthy. This roughage is nothing but the fibrous part of the plant food that remains undigested. For example, you take chana, you know, Bengal gram, chana, sanagalu. So that also if you eat, that is also fiber. It contains lot of fiber. So fibrous food are taken, which will help you to draw the waste very easily. It will add bulk in the digestive system and helps your waste from your body to be thrown out easily. So you have to maintain regular habits. You have to maintain regular toilet habits. You have to maintain. So it also prevents constipation and helps in the bowel movements. It keeps our digestive system healthy. That is the another part of the lesson, roughage. So you have learned about the roughage. Next is the exercises. Next is exercise. Exercise is very much required by the body, isn't it? It is also one of the things that helps you to stay healthy. Exercise also helps to stay healthy. Now I am not doing any type of exercise. You are small children. If you do a little bit of skipping, if you run here and there, that is enough. But in summer vacation we were giving you some exercises, now you are doing, isn't it? So in that way, if you do some type of exercises, that will keep your body healthy, that will keep your body strong. So now it helps to stay healthy. Then now what you must do? So what are the importance of exercise? Let us learn about the importance of exercise. How do these exercises help us? Importance of exercise. Now how does these exercises help you? They make our muscles and bones strong. Exercise make our bones and muscles strong. They make our bones and muscles strong. What do? They make our bones and muscles strong, and these help in blood improve. Exercise also improve blood circulation. It also improves blood circulation. How does this exercise help us? This helps us to make our bones and muscles strong. It improves the blood circulation, and moreover, it makes our body muscles, tones our body muscles, and helps to keep in perfect shape. So this is about the exercises. So when we talk about the exercise, how does this exercise help us? It helps us to stay healthy. And what is the importance of exercises? It will make our bones and muscles strong. If you exercise, it will make your bones and muscles strong. It will improve your blood circulation. Your circulation of blood will be very nice. The blood will circulate in all over your body in a very nice way, and it will tone your bones and muscles, and your body will be very perfect and fit, and it will keep you in a good shape. So that is about the exercises. Now let us learn about the other portion, that is correct posture. Now what do you mean by correct posture? So now here, what do you mean by correct posture? Correct posture. This correct posture means whenever you are walking, you are sitting, you are lying down, whatever you have to be straight. You have to maintain a correct posture. So that is what. Whenever you are walking, whenever you are lying down or sitting, you must be in such a position that you are always straight. Your back is always straight. That is called as maintaining of the correct posture. So that is known as maintaining of the correct posture. So we must stand, sit, walk, whatever we do, we must maintain perfect posture. When you are sitting, walking or doing whatever you are doing, you have to maintain the correct posture of you. You must stand, sit, walk in such a way that your back is always straight. Walk, sit in such a way. Walk, sit, stand in such a way that you are always straight, that you are maintaining a correct posture. You must be in such a position that you are maintain a correct posture. A correct posture you are maintaining, isn't it? Because maintaining your correct posture will relieve you from your back pain. You will not get any type of back pain. You will not get muscle pains. You will not be stressed. You will not have be strained. So correcting correct posture will also give you. It will also give you a good appearance. Give you a good appearance. Now if you are coming to if you are walking like this, leaning and walking, how does it look? Does it look nice? No, you have to do correct posture. You must be straight. So when you are maintaining your posture, it should be very straight. Your backbone must be straight, so that you don't get strained, you don't get stressed. Everything if you maintain your posture. For example, sometimes you see your mother will be washing clothes. In a hurry, she will sit in some other position and do the clothes. When she gets up, it becomes very difficult for her to get up because she has some type of back pain. So when she is having that back pain, it is not possible for her to do. So whenever we sit, whenever we do any type of work, we have to maintain correct posture. If you maintain correct posture and do the work, every work will be easy for you. You will not have your back pain, you will not get any muscular pain, everything goes well. And moreover, if you are walking in a straight position, you are sitting quietly, in a nice position, what will happen? It will give you a very good appearance, isn't it? It will give you a very good appearance. So in that way, you have to maintain correct posture always. So it will help you in that way. Next, so in that way, if you are maintaining, what is happening? You are preventing your backache, your muscle pain will not there, you will not be stressed, you will not have strain. So in that way, you have to maintain correct body posture. So we were learning about the lesson is food health and hygiene. Starting, what did we discuss? We discussed about water. How is water required by our body? Then we learned about the roughage of our body. Then we learned about the exercises. Then we learned about the posture of our body, isn't it? So how we have to maintain our postures and all, we have learned all this. This is also a very important part of this lesson, and some more topics we will discuss in other class. So let me show you some important components of the food. I told you about carbohydrates and all, right? So here you have, you see, you have some carbohydrates here, you have some energy giving food, you have here proteins here, you have some vitamins and minerals that are contained, that food, protective food, that is vitamins and minerals. So in this way, these are the different types of food, components of the food. Next, see how these children are exercising. See this one, see this. How are they maintaining the correct postures? So it must be in this way. So this is all about today's topic. Some more topics are there to be covered. We will do the same, some more topics that are included in this lesson we will do in our another class. Till then, goodbye children.